Alright folks, 2008 Renegade 800. I already posted a video about the vtwin clutch, and now got it apart that far because my timing chain guides are really worn. This one particularly, this one's not really that worn, but this one here is really worn. So I don't want to have to pull the head because I don't want to have to pull the motor. So I am going to take the valve cover off, take the cam out, replace the timing chain, that guide, the bottom guide with the new and improved version. But this one here is so worn that the timing chain adjuster is actually hitting the chain, and the chain is eating the timing chain adjuster. That's how bad it is. So I know there's a ton of plastic down in here. You have to split the case to clean the screen out, because it's right down in there, and then that little hole right here, and it goes down is where it goes to. So me not wanting to remove the engine, split it, and it basically would be a ground up rebuild. I was looking for passages that led to the screen, which led me to this hole right here. It goes down straight to the screen. So as a test, I had my fiance stick my WD-40 little red plastic nozzle down in there, and I shined the flashlight on the other side as she sprayed, and I could see the little plastic pieces coming out. So it's flushing it. It's not ideal. It'd be nice to be able to get in there and like clean the whole screen out, but for the time being, if you can't, like, if you wanted to do that before you actually drained your oil, you could probably stick an air hose in there at just maybe 1 or 2 psi just to fill it with air and blow them out before you drain your oil, and you'd probably get some plastic pieces. But if you want to do it the way I'm doing it, just take the covers off if you're already doing a timing job, and the oil's drained. I took this bottle right here, just a water bottle. I filled it up with WD-40, and this little fuel line fit right in that hole perfectly. And I had my fiance stick that hose in that little hole and squeeze that bottle, because the WD-40 doesn't spray out fast enough. So she squeezed it till it was empty, and I watched the pieces just flow out. There's so much plastic flowing out of that filter, and I'm going to keep on doing it until I don't see any more plastic pieces come out. I don't care. I'll use up a bunch of WD-40. I kind of want to go get some seafoam and run some seafoam through there, because seafoam is safe for engines. So, because you're able to put seafoam in the bottom end with your oil to clean out your cam and valve train and all that. So I'm gonna keep on doing that and see how much I get out. I got a bottle down underneath catching what comes out, but I'll see if I can see with the camera the bits and pieces that are coming out. I'm gonna unplug this heater real quick, because I know on this side it's gonna be loud. Alright. Oh, you can see already. Oh man, I wish I could get it up in there better. There's so much plastic though. You can kind of see it down in there. Let's see if I can. Nope. No way. There's no way. Stupid flywheel's in the way. But, you know what? I know what I'm going to do. Oh, gotta find my actual flashlight. Sorry for the lengthy video, but it's worth it. save you from having to. Oh yeah, there's so much in there. Look at, see all those little black specks in there? You can see them all. I wish it would focus more where I want it to be. But you can see all those little black speckles in there. Wow, there's so much plastic coming out. That's awesome. Look at that. Dead center of the screen, guys. Look at all that plastic I flushed out. There's so much coming out of there. So, I doubt there's anything in my bottle. Nope, there's nothing in my bottle yet, so. But, if it can flow out that way and the WD-40 is making it out, it means that it's not plugged up, and that's what people have issues with. These engines, the earlier models, chew up the timing chain guides, and all the plastic fills that screen, and then you pretty much get no oil flow. And then I guess you burn up your bearing. Thankfully, mine hadn't plugged up fully because I was still getting decent oil flow. But seeing how bad my timing chain guide was, I was like, yeah, I better do something about that. So, yeah, this is a game changer right there. Someone's probably already thought of it, but I'm making a video on it because I got the evidence to show that it works. There's so much plastic. I can't even get my camera in there to show you guys, but there is so much plastic coming out. And from this side, I can just dump seafoam through those holes. I'm just going to fill the whole bottom end up and just flush the whole bottom end. And I will get another video of the amount of crap that comes out.